Hi friends, we are still in class 10 economics, and this is the third topic which is in your class 10 economics syllabus, which is called market. Now see, you should already be familiar with. If you're not, I'm just repeating. There's something called demand and there's something called supply, right? And there is another set of two words. There is a buyer and there's a seller. Okay, now what happens is when you have a buyer and a seller, they come together and interact. Okay, and precisely that is where this term market comes into picture. Okay, now market may not be something necessarily a physical spot. Market in economics is a place of exchange. So this is the third point where market is to be studied. Okay, and not only that, first what you have to study here is its meaning of market. Okay, meaning of market. What is actually market in terms of economics? Next is, when you understand what is a market, you will have to go through types of market. Okay, types of markets. Let's put it markets here. Markets. Okay, so what are types of markets? When there is a market, it can operate, it can be influenced by several factors, and hence it is important for us to actually define what is a market. And when you talk about types of markets, then you will come across these terms which are very important. Number one, if I tell you, is perfect competition. Perfect competition. Okay, so these are types of markets you have to study here. Second you have is monopoly. See, okay, next we move on. uh, After monopoly, you also need to study something called monopolistic competition. Monopolistic monopolistic competition. Okay, now before we move ahead, if you see this word monopolistic and competition, you will actually see that there seems to be something in common which this kind of market has. Something from monopoly and something from perfect competition. Anyway, we'll discuss this in further videos when we study market in detail. After this, there is another structure or type of market which is called oligopoly. 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 This also you need to discuss and study, and here also you have to understand meaning with examples. Okay, all of these types of, the types of markets, you have to study with meaning. I mean their meaning, what do these mean, and examples. So meanings as well as these meanings with examples. Okay, this is what syllabus says, examples. And a brief understanding of the features of the different types of markets along with differences. So the last point which the syllabus wants you to know is you have to know features. Okay, features of these markets, how we call some market a perfect competition, how we call some market a monopoly, monopolistic, or oligopoly in nature. So features, and also what you need to know is the differences between these different types of market. Now let me just go back to where we started. So this is number 3, or maybe another part of your syllabus, that is called market. So first is we have to know what is market, and then I tried to remind you about these terms: demand, supply, buyer and seller. So you have to study market, meaning of market, then you come to types of market, and under types of market are these different types which you have to study, and these are: you have to study perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, and you have to study the features of all these types of markets and also the differences between these types of market. So this is all in the market section of your syllabus. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.